Many people will be coming back to work on Monday, but others were hard at work over the weekend to make sure our shipyard is clean and sanitized as we continue our mission of always building great ships.
That's right, we're at it. I mean, we got all hands on deck. We really want to make sure that the shipyard's clean and it's safe and that we're providing people with a place that they feel comfortable coming back to work at. We feel like this is our responsibility and that we're out here getting it, whatever it takes.
Only reason we're here today because to keeping the shipyard to stay open. Cleaning is very important. We're just taking a little course of action to protect ourselves so we can come in the gates and leave and go home to our families.
We're going all over. We're going into production spaces. We're going into office spaces. We're heading every place that we can go because in order for it to be successful, really, we need everybody to keep each other safe. We went from cleaning on a day-to-day basis to ramping it up to the gates and the turnstiles and the touch points, and now we've even ramped up our production and we've got spray bottles of disinfectant. And so it's something that we really want to put in the hands of everybody so everybody can take care of their own spaces.
We have more staff than we normally do cleaning. It's a team effort, so everybody has to do their part in making the shipyard a safe place.
We need everybody's support. Everybody needs to come in as one accord and help us all get this virus that's going around. And we're doing all we can to keep everything sanitized.
Well, we brought in a company to do some fogging. The fogging efforts that we have on is really, it's Clorox or a cleaning bleaching agent that's electric static, and so it adheres itself to surfaces even if we don't touch them. And so it takes our sanitation efforts and takes it one step further. What we do is really important. We're building ships, defending a free world, and so we need to keep this place operational. We need to keep it open. We need to keep people feeling comfortable and safe coming to work. And so what I would ask and what I would encourage is that, hey, if you're concerned or even if you're not, take care of your buddy, take care of your friend, take care of the space that you're in. It's everybody's responsibility to do cleaning.
We definitely appreciate all the hard work our cleaning crews and individual shipbuilders are doing to help clean and sanitize our shipyard. And remember to make sure you keep up to date with the latest information by going to our 411 website, our social media channels, and downloading our app, NNS to Go. Thanks so much. I'm Aaron Pritchett.